2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.